Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi 9T and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And now let's scroll down in order to find apps. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on manage apps and tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the option we are looking for, so just tap on it, and right now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you are ready, just tap on reset apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Redmi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.